Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to add tokens on Coinomi Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open Coinomi application from your app drawer and make sure that you're inside the main homepage. Once you're signed in, go ahead and tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner and then tap on Add Tokens. Select the token you would like to add from the list and then, if prompted, enter your password for your wallet. Tap on Unlock once you are done typing down the wallet's password and then select the tokens you would like to add. Tap on Plus once you are ready and then you have now added a custom token on Coinomi. The tokens will now be added to your wallet and will be displayed in the main interface. And that is how you can easily add tokens on Coinomi application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.